Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the Raccoon token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. I'm going to be showing you step by step everything you have to do in order to buy this token. But before we get started, I just want to remind everyone that I do have daily cryptocurrency content on my channel, showing you guys things lots to do with the space. So if you're interested in the space, I'd really recommend subscribing to this channel, as I have lots of content coming out now and into the future. Anyhow, first things first here, we're going to go ahead over to Trust Wallet and open that up. And I'm just going to let everyone know here that I'm not going to show you guys how to create your Trust Wallet inside of this video or how to buy or transfer BNB. Now, if you guys need to learn how to do either of those two things, I'll have separate tutorials linked in the description below and in the comment section down below in the pinned comment if you guys need to learn how to do that first. So if you do, just go ahead there, learn how to do that, get that set up, and then you can come back to this video to learn how to actually swap the token. Now, another thing I would like to point out as well is that you do have to have your BNB inside of your Smart Chain wallet. So if you didn't originally send it over to your Smart Chain wallet, it's not a big deal. You guys can just click on your BNB wallet where your BNB is located, click on swap, and then right here at the bottom, you'll see swap to Smart Chain. You guys have to put in the amount of BNB inside of your Smart Chain wallet that you would want to swap, or else you will not see the balance of BNB on PancakeSwap. So it's very important that you guys have that inside of your Smart Chain wallets. But once you have it inside of your Smart Chain wallets, we are now good to go and move on with the next step, which will be getting the contact address for this token and then putting it inside of our Trust Wallet so our coins appear once we purchase them. So if you guys just head over to CoinMarketCap, I'll have a link in the description and in the comment section down below for you guys for CoinMarketCap. So just head over there and then I'll show you what to do next. Once we're on CoinMarketCap here, we just have to go down to where we see contracts and then go all the way over to the right where you see the two little squares. Just go ahead and click on that. Once you do that, you will copy the contact address. Once that's done, we can then head back over to our Trust Wallets. And then we just want to go to the top right corner of our screen where we see the two lines and two circles and click on that. Then we just have to paste the contact address up in this top search here. Once we do that, we'll see no assets found, add custom token. So you just want to go ahead and click on add custom token. We will then have to change the network from Ethereum over to Smart Chain. And then we can just paste the contact address in. Everything else that we need will automatically load in for us here. So then we can go back up to the top right corner and click on save. Now, once we do that, we'll have a space for our token to show once we purchase it and swap it. So once you guys have that there, we can then head over to PancakeSwap. And I'll have links for PancakeSwap in the description and in the comment section down below if you guys would like to use those. Or, of course, you can go ahead and Google PancakeSwap yourselves. But once you're on PancakeSwap, I'll then show you what to do next. Once you're on PancakeSwap here, we just want to go to the top of our screens where we see the Connect Wallet button and click on that. Once we click on Connect Wallet, it's going to ask us to choose an option here. We're going to click on Wallet Connect. And that's going to ask us to choose our preferred wallet. Now, you guys can use any one of these wallets that you see here on the screen. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you with Trust Wallet. So we're going to go ahead and click on Trust Wallet. Once we click on Trust Wallet here, we'll get this connection screen asking us to connect PancakeSwap to our Trust Wallets. This is so we can access our BNB that's inside of our Trust Wallets and then go ahead to swap it for the token. It's also going to allow our token to go back into our Trust Wallets. So we're going to go ahead and click on Connect here, then head back over to PancakeSwap. Now, once we're back in PancakeSwap, we'll know our wallet's connected when we see our wallet icon in the top right corner, as well as our balance of BNB right above BNB right here. And like I said before, if you guys do not have your BNB inside of your Smart Chain wallets, it's not going to show in your balance here. So if you guys do have BNB in your Trust Wallet and it's not showing up in here, you just want to make sure it's in your Smart Chain wallet. So we want to go ahead, swap it over to your Smart Chain, and then come back and restart this process here, and your balance will then show for you. Anyhow, all we have to do now is click on Select a Currency and paste that address in here. Once we do that, we'll see the token pop up here. So we can go ahead and click on Import, I understand, and then Import. Now, once that's done here, all we have to do now is change our slippage tolerance. And to do that, we just have to go over to Exchange. Right to the right, you'll see this little settings gear here. You want to go ahead and click on that. And then under Swaps and Liquidity, we'll see Slippage Tolerance. Now, I'd recommend starting off with 12% for this token. You guys can try less if you would like to, but usually these tokens are around the 12% mark. So I would start off with 12%, and then if that does not go through, you might just have to raise it up a little bit. It totally depends on the liquidity of the token, and when you're watching this video, it may change as well. So I would start off with 12%, and then if it fails on you, just come back and try a little bit higher. You can also check the comments. A lot of people who purchase the token will then post a slippage tolerance as well to help other people out. So just be aware of that. So once you have that in there, though, you can then exit out of here. And then all you have to do is decide how much BNB that you want to transfer into this token. So let's just say, for example, I wanted to do 1 BNB. I can go ahead and type in 1 BNB, and then it will show me how much of this token I'll get in exchange for my BNB. Now, if you guys are happy with what you see here, you can go ahead and click on Swap in the bottom where it says insufficient BNB balance for me. Once you guys click on swap, it's then going to show you a broken down version of your transaction, showing you your withdrawal fees and your rates and things like that. So just make sure you're comfortable with that before you go ahead through with this next transaction. So if you're happy with that and you're comfortable, you can go ahead and click on swap one more time. Once you do that, you should get a successful transaction notice. Once you receive that notice, you can go ahead and exit out of here, back into your Trust wallets, and the token should appear in your wallet usually within a couple of minutes. For whatever reason, if it does not appear in your wallet here, just make sure you added the contact address to Trust Wallet like I showed you guys previously in the video, or else it will not show up in your Trust Wallet, so that's important. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you out showing you guys how to buy this Rocket Raccoon token on Trust Wallet and using PancakeSwap. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.